If you are looking for a high-quality and beautiful SPC flooring, look no further than our wood grain series. This series features a variety of colors and patterns that mimic the natural beauty of wood. One of our best-selling types is the S9012, which has a milk color that gives a soft and elegant touch to any room. The size of this type is 1220 mm x 184 mm x 4 mm, which is ideal for creating a spacious and cozy feeling. Our SPC flooring is made of durable and waterproof material that is easy to install and clean. You can enjoy the comfort and style of our flooring for a long time. We also provide OEM and ODM services, as we have our own factory that produces our flooring. This means we can customize our flooring according to your specifications and preferences. Contact us today to get a free quote and a sample of our S9012 type. You won't regret choosing our SPC flooring for your home or office.